Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to cancel subscriptions on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to cancel subscription of anything, it might be your Apple Music or your Apple TV. So let's see how can you easily do that. First of all, you just have to open up your settings, and here you have to make sure some things that you're not connected to any VPN or you are connected to any internet, it might be Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Then go for general and you'll make sure that you're not connected to VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with your VPN. And once you have that, you have to simply tap on your Apple account, and here you have to tap on subscriptions option. Simply tap on that and you have to wait for it, and here you'll get the subscription which you have. You'll get all the subscriptions or the facilities which you are subscribed, and once you get the one which you want to unsubscribe or cancel, you have to simply select that, and from there you can easily cancel a subscription of anything which you want on your any iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.